Yo, what up guys, it's your boy Williams Fitness back again with another video, and yes, we are still touching on the Shawn Rhoden situation with regards to the rape allegations. And the only reason I'm doing a follow-up video is because I got into a kind of a debate on the last video with a few fans that said he'd made a settlement out of court, which I found kind of hard to believe, because a lot of these things are public knowledge, and the bodybuilding industry has so many people like myself, you know, Generation Iron, Fitness Vault, all these sorts of media outlets that cover these topics, and this information would have been released. Now, after doing a little bit more research and digging into this, I found a thread on a website called Fitness Vault, which is a very good website for bodybuilding news and updates. And basically what's happened was, this was last year, the end of last year, a fan said, "Luke, why aren't you doing it? This is ridiculous. You should be still competing, stop acting like Kai Green." And a gentleman named Charles Johnson Jr. commented, allegedly saying he was one of Mr. Rhoden's attorneys, saying, "Respectfully, you have no idea what you're talking about. I am one of his attorneys, and while he appreciates you being a fan, you have no idea. You have no idea what's going on with the athlete and his situation." Now, with respect, like, obviously no one knows what's going on, and maybe that's because we're all waiting for a court hearing. Obviously, he goes then on to stipulate with regards to a jury. Now, Flex then confirms that Charles Johnson kind of is his attorney, or one of his said attorneys, with this comment, basically saying everyone seems to know more than we do. Now, that to me confirms that Charles Johnson Jr. is actually one of Shawn Rhoden's attorneys. That sort of verified it for me, with him responding that way and saying that they, you know, people seem to think that they know more than what we do. So then obviously it then goes on to stipulate more information, saying, "I will give updates. Yes, he is an innocent man, and we are fighting to clear his good name." It does also then go on to stipulate that, you know, there'd been some bias with regards to, I'm not sure if it was the arrest and the officers in charge, or maybe the prosecutors are being biased in regards to this. But, you know, his attorney then goes on to thank the community, the bodybuilding community, for the support, his fans for the support that was given. And he says, "I can say is that he is an innocent of these charges. I cannot and will not litigate this here, but know this: his case was handled in a very biased manner, and we will show the jury, bodybuilding community, and the world that even as far as we all have come, old-time stereotypes and prejudices are still present, even in law enforcement." And there you have it, guys. So obviously that's from his attorney. Like I said, this is kind of old news. This is from last year. But there were so many comments on the Shawn Rhoden video I made a few days ago. I think it was about a week ago, actually, that I thought I'll address it again with a little bit more information. So obviously he's got a group of attorneys. They are commenting on posts, whether that was just past tense. And I'm not too sure if they've commented on any further posts. There is no updates online. I've literally trolled all of the internet. I can't find anything with regards to a settlement fee, which a lot of fans are saying that they settled out of court. I can't see that being a thing, personally. I don't think that'd be allowed over here in the UK. I think if somebody is found allegedly guilty of a crime, quite a serious crime, I can't imagine the police force and the, you know, the system to allow a fee to be settled out of court if, you know, said person is allegedly as dangerous as people are making out. So to me, this is still ongoing. I still think this is in process. I just wanted to give you guys an update. Like I said, there was a lot of comments on the last video, a lot of speculation, a lot of rumors, and I just wanted to address that the information we've got is obviously this is still ongoing. His attorney and group of attorneys are, you know, standing by that he's totally innocent, and addressing there is some bias going on within law enforcement itself. I hope that clears things up for people for now. If I do get any further updates of, you know, actual factual base, I will put that information out to you guys. But as of today, and as of obviously these comments were obviously made last year, there is no update. There is nothing. There's no more information. So I think it's best to just hold back. And it's super unfortunate because it's been 3 years, and if he is innocent, that's 3 years of loss of competing, loss of earnings. And if he's found innocent, I'm hoping he can put a counterclaim in to sort of maybe recoup some sort of funds back. I don't know, like I said, I don't know how the American system works with regards to things like that. But it is a shame. He's obviously, 45, 46 now. He's not in his prime. Could he win a Mr. Olympia again? I mean, I hate to say it, I very much doubt it with who we've got on stage today. 3 years is a massive time in the bodybuilding industry, and like I say, he's getting on. But yeah, on that note, guys, I've been me, you've been you. Peace.